Hey there, YouTube fam. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for all you Apple Watch Ultra users out there. Whether you want to turn off your device for a break or power it up to dive back into the action, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's learn how to turn off and turn on the Apple Watch Ultra. The step 1 is turning off the Apple Watch Ultra. To do so, press and hold power button. Then tap on power button. And slide all the way to power off. Also, we got another method to turn off your Apple Watch Ultra. To do so, open Settings. Navigate to General. Scroll all the way down. And tap on Shut Down. Slide to turn off. So let's move to turning on the Apple Watch Ultra. Ready to power up your Apple Watch Ultra? Let's get started. To turn it on, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo appear on the display. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Your Apple Watch Ultra is now booting up and will be ready for action in just a moment. And there you have it, folks. Turning off and turning on your Apple Watch Ultra is as easy as pie. Remember, powering off your watch can be useful if you want to save battery during downtime or need to perform a quick restart to resolve any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more Apple Watch tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy and take care.